Who is Ergio? Ergio is a manufacturer with a passion for wood since 1993. Ergio is active in the market of wooden constructions for over 27 years and has come to work to the highest quality standards according to the norms and technical characteristics required by the client, specific to each country in which the products are delivered. The products are manufactured from certified raw materials and machined by CNC machines, which ensures the precision of the cutting and the excellent final results. Our mission is to use wood to build an ecological and sustainable future, and our vision is to reduce the carbon footprint through the improvement and efficiency of the materials and technologies used in construction. At Ergio, we use an integrated production activity management system to ensure compliance with the terms of execution and quality of the delivered products. The program ensures precision and efficiency in the execution of the parts and guarantees the shipment of the completed products. Our factory is constantly working to maintain high standards. That is why we pay close attention since the beginning of the manufacturing process by drying the wood material properly. CNC machines are used for high manufacturing precision and are controlled by external computers that handle all operations. These machines offer a 99% accuracy margin and are equipped with 4-axis rotary heads, which allow angular cutting on all wood surfaces. We also use KPIs and modules integrated into the manufacturing process to verify and control each working point. Each landmark is individually controlled both manually for manufacturing defects and with the help of ERP for quantity control. Why we recommend houses on wooden structure Ergio? Because fire resistance. The elements of the wood structure have rounded edges, which do not allow the appearance of the chips to generate the ignition of the fire, and the wood structure is treated fireproof, which gives the wood fire resistance, insect protection, and fungi wood protect fireproof fire stop SREN 135011 plus A1 2010. Earthquake resistance. The sole and the belt of the panels have a minimum thickness of 60 mm, where cutouts are required for fixing and stabilizing the uprights. These elements are assembled and pressed on the table with a pneumatic press, ensuring better resistance to snatching and breaking. All these details increase the resistance of the whole house in the event of an earthquake. Speed, record, setting time after the perfectly flat foundation is dry. Efficiency. Provides the possibility of better thermal and energy performance with a lower wall thickness of concrete constructions. Provides an ecological living environment if as many natural materials are used, which is beneficial for the psyche and natural biorhythm of the human body. We understand the dynamics of the economy and the world we live in, and that is why we are always open to innovating with our partners. We believe in the concept of open innovation, and we are interested in bringing new concepts to the market by combining our experience and production capacity with the bold ideas, the market know-how, and the professionalism of our partners. Modular houses. We understand that people's needs are complex and they change in a very short time, so we give high interest to modular projects. Modularized is specific to the world we live in, and the houses of the future must respect this concept. In this sense, we work with our collaborators on various modular constructions projects. Co-housing. One of the problems facing humanity is the lack of space, which is why we want to be part of the solution of this problem and to participate together in solving it. Mobile homes. Mobility is still an important concept nowadays, and also an interest for Ergio. We know that it is important for millennials or the Y generation to have mobility in any context. That is why we believe that this concept is part of the future that we will live in the coming years.